The age of smartphones with flexible screens has dawned upon us. While there aren't many contenders in this category of devices, major manufacturers are increasingly vying to captivate their fans with cutting-edge flagship models. Google, the globally renowned company, couldn't remain aloof. However, the phone falls short in certain aspects compared to its competitors. The design of the Pixel Fold raises some questions. On one hand, it boasts distinctive features such as the unique design of the triple camera, premium materials comprising a sleek and slim body, glass back panel and metal frame, and the inclusion of the folding mechanism itself. On the other hand, the bezels surrounding both the 5.8-inch and 7.6-inch displays are unreasonably wide for a high-end device. The AMOLED panels themselves offer resolutions of 2092 x 1080 and 2208 by 1840 pixels, respectively. The resultant visuals exhibit a contemporary 120 Hz refresh rate, vibrant colors, impressive clarity, and accurate color reproduction. However, the primary AMOLED display is covered with a protective plastic film, necessitating careful handling. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is more accurate than its under-display counterparts, although it may not be visually striking. In terms of specifications, the Pixel Fold boasts Google's proprietary Tensor G2 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and the Mali G710MP7 GPU. While this combination is commendable, it falls short of the top-tier Qualcomm Snapdragon or MediaTek Dimensity chipsets. While the current CPU handles any task with ease, its performance in the coming years remains uncertain. Genshin Impact operates smoothly at high graphic settings, albeit occasional stuttering at maximum settings. Moreover, the chip's energy efficiency is average, and prolonged gaming or extensive video recording leads to noticeable heating. The battery, with a capacity of 4,821 mAh, offers an underwhelming screen-on time of only 6 to 7 hours. Although the wired charging capability at 30 Watt is disappointingly low, it is somewhat offset by the presence of wireless charging. The phablet provides ample permanent storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, leaving little to criticize in this aspect. The Pixel Fold's camera capabilities deserve praise, featuring a main 48-megapixel sensor and a 10.8-megapixel wide-angle lens with optical stabilization. This device comes tantalizingly close to earning the title of a camera phone, capturing detailed and lifelike photos and videos even in challenging lighting conditions. It excels at shooting dynamic objects without compromising the overall quality. Photographs of young children or pets turn out remarkably clear. The device also offers stereo sound, reaching volumes comparable to inexpensive Bluetooth speakers while delivering a relatively flat frequency response. Notably, it supports NFC contactless payment, runs the latest Android 13, and even boasts IP68 water resistance. However, this should not be misconstrued as permission to drop the device, as its design is not as sturdy as desired. The drawbacks include a relatively high price for its performance level and some issues with the exterior. Nonetheless, devoted brand enthusiasts are unlikely to pay heed to these concerns and will gladly embrace this intriguing and technologically advanced mobile companion.